Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a confirm pop-up in PowerApps. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. Earlier when we used to create a confirm pop-up, in that case we used to use rectangle, a lot of controls, and then we used to group it. Now that is no longer required because now we have this confirm function which will help us achieve the same thing. So now in this application I have a container. In this container what I will do here is I will just add a button, and let's say I will give the text as it. Now what I will do here is on the on select property of this button I will write the confirm function. So I will just type confirm. So it accepts two parameters. One is the message. So let's say want to delete the record. And then the second parameter is going to be the title. Can say as delete confirmation. And then it's going to be the text for confirm button. So let's say delete, and then have cancel button. Right? Now I will just click on format text. I will play this, and now if I click on this button you will see this pop-up which is saying delete confirmation. Do you want to delete the record? Now if I click on delete, it returns true, and if I click on cancel, it returns false. Now how do I know that it is returning true or false? So what here I will do is I will just add a text, and on click of this button I will receive the output. So what I will do here is I will use update context function, create a local variable. I will give the name as var returned value colon, and then here I will paste the function and then close the bracket. Now I will use the same variable for the text property of the text control. Here I will type var returned value. Now here you can see that it is giving us false. Now if I click on delete and then click on delete again, you'll see the value is true, and if I click on cancel, it is returning the value as false. So by default the value will be false. Now based on this value you can control the visibility or the color of a label or any control in your PowerApps application. For example, what here I will do is I will add another label, and I will say a word, and then I'll go to the visible property of this text control, and I will just use the variable which is var return value. Now it is hidden. Now if I click on delete and delete again, see text is visible. Similarly, You want to have a specific color of this text, what you can do here is just say if var return value true, then you need to use color red, else color dot green. Now the value is true, so the color is red, and if I click on then cancel, now it is hidden. So what I can do here is and go to text property, I can go to the visible property of the text to control and make it by default true, and now you see the color of the text is green. So this is how easy it is to create a pop-up in PowerApps using the confirm function. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.